Oh, hot days. One of the best things about my visits to Thailand were that you could go to a street corner and they would take a coconut and husk it in front of you, then knock the top off of it, stick a straw in it, and guess what you had? A delicious coconut drink right from the coconut. Coconut milk is just the most refreshing thing you can have in hot weather. So, today when I draw this, I'm going to think about those coconut drinks I had and enjoyed so much. And just to top it off, I'm going to put a little umbrella in it. We need pink, greens, a little black to draw the outlines. Refreshing. Come get refreshed with me by drawing this really, really well. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.